Hey friends, let's jump straight in. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for our intro, we're going to play 12 on the E, and it's all on the E string. 4 opens, 7, 4 opens, 8, 4 opens, 5, 4 opens, 7, 2 opens, 3, 2 opens, 5, 4 opens, 2, 4 opens, 3, 4 opens, 5, 4 opens, 2, 2 opens, 3, 2 opens. And we do that through 3 times, and then we do the start the same. 12, 4 opens, 7, 4 opens, 8, 4 opens, 5, 4 opens, 7, 2 opens, 3, 2 opens, 5, 4 opens, 2, 4 opens, 3, and then jump to the 7th fret harmonic on the G string. And just use your bar there. And that's guitar 1. Now guitar 2 is just playing the E chord or the E minor, and again, and then just a D power chord. And they're all the parts of the intro. So we're just starting on a D power chord and slide up to E. Palm mute the open E, go back to the E power chord, 2 palm mutes on the open E, E power chord, 2 palm mutes on the open E, E power chord, 3 palm mutes on the open E, then jump up to the G power chord 2 times, palm mute the open E, play the 10, 12, 12, the G again, slide back to the D, palm mute the D, off, 2 palm mutes, off, 2 palm mutes, off, 3 palm mutes, and then 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then we're starting again, the D, slide up to the E, mute on the E, off, 2 mutes, off, 2 mutes, off, 3 mutes, 1, 2, 3, come up to the G again, 1, 2, 3, then play it again and just slide your first finger back to the 9, so we have 9A, 12 on the D and the G. Palm mute off, 2 palm mutes off, 2 palm mutes, come back to the G, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, play again, slide back to the C, palm mute, C, 2 palm mutes, and then play 3 on the A, 5 on the D, 4 on the G, open E and B, and then just play 3 E, 3 B. So then play 5 on the A, 4 on the D, 3 times, 1, 2, 3, play it again and slide up 7 on the A and 5 D, palm mute E, play it again, 2 palm mutes, and then play the E power chord, 2 palm mutes E, 2 palm mutes E, come back up to the G 3 times, play it again, slide back to D, palm mute, off, 2 palm mutes, off, 2 palm mutes, off, 2 palm mutes, off, back to the G again, 1, 2, 3, and again slide back to the C, do palm mute, off, 2 palm mutes, do our chord again, same, and then our 5 and 4 the same again. Slide up to 7 and 5, then we're just going back to the start and repeating it all again. 1, 2, 3, up to the G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now when we hit the chord this time, the 3-5-4 open open, just play E, B, G, E, B, G. So you're playing open E and B, 4th fret on the G. And that's our verse there. Start with a G, then play C, A, go to a D over A, so it's the same as a D power chord but just add the open A string. C, A, E, back to the D over the A, and then on the A, O, 2, 3, and then E, 3, B, 3, open G, and we do that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just repeat that 2 times for the chorus. So for our second verse, just play it through once and end the same we did last time. Then from there we just go back to the chorus and that's the same. Then we're going back to the intro riff. We're going to play that 6 times. So now the 7th time we do the 12. 4 opens, 7, 4 opens, 8, 4 opens, 5, 4 opens, 7, 2 opens, 3, 2 opens, and then we're going 5 on the B, open E 3 times, 7 on the B, open E 3 times, 8 on the B, open E 3 times, come up to 10, B, open E 3 times, then play 12 on the B, open E, 12 on the B, open E, and that gets us ready for our solo. So that last little part. So our second guitar over that intro, we're just going to do an E minor, do the E minor again, then the D over A, then come up to a C power chord and just all 8th notes for 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're going up to the E power chord, E, mute the open E 2 times, E, 2 mutes, E, 2 mutes, E, 2 mutes, E, mute, E, mute, and do that 2 times. And again. Then do the same but on the D. So off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, off, mute. Come back to the C and do that the same again. Then just go back to the E power chord and we repeat that whole section through 2 times, and that's our little bridge there. So for our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end, it's nearly exactly the same as our bridge. So we have the E, palm mute, E, palm mute, E, mutes, E, mutes, E, mute, E, mute 2 times. Then we do the same on the D. This time on the C, go off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, and then do 3 offs, 1, 2, 3, and then we repeat it all again, the E. And again. To the D the same. This time on the C, do off, mute, mute, off, mute, mute, and then just finish all with opens. And that's all the parts to the solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. And from there we just go back to the chorus and repeat it through 4 times instead of 2. So for our outro, we're just playing the intro 2 times, and then the last time we play the 12, open, open, open 4 times, 7, 4 opens, 8, 4 opens, 5, 4 opens, 7, 2 opens, 3, 2 opens, and then play 5B, open E, 5B, 3 on the B, jump to G, 5, 4, 2, open, 2 on the D, and an E power chord. Now guitar 2 is just playing the E minor again, the D over A, and then we're doing 3rd fret on the A 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret on the E, 2 on the A, open A, 3rd fret on the E, and an E power chord. And there are all the guitar parts. Now let's tackle the solo. Starting on the 7 on the E, and then jump to 10 on the B, pull off to the open, 8, pull off to the open 2 times, and do that 5 times there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then just B, 8, 7, G, 9, 7, 9, slide up to 11, 9. Then play the open E, bend 15 on the B, play 12 E, B, 15, 12, bend 14 on the G, and then play 12 on the E again, 15, pull off to 12, bend 15 on the B, do the first one again, 12, 15, 12, 14, and then 12 E, 15, pull off to 12, bend 15, release, pull off to 12 on the B, bend 14 on the E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then do a bend and release, pull off to 12, 13 on the B. Then we're going back to the first riff again, but we're moving up the neck. We have 15 on the E, 19 pull off to the open on the B, and then 17 pull off, 17 pull off to the open, and this time we do it 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last one, do 15E, bend 19 and release and pull off to 17. Play 20B and back to 17. Then we have this little run down. We're going to play open E on the E string, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, B, 13, 15, 12, 13, G, 14, back to B, 12, G, 12, 14, 11, 12, 14 on the D, 11, G, back to D, 12, 14, 10, 12, 9. Then we're jumping back to the B, 15, slide up to 17, 19, 20, 17, 19, 20, and then E, 17, B20, E17, stay on the E, 19, 17, 19, 20, 19, 20, do a bend on 22, release, pull off to 20, then just play 22. Then our last little parts where the singing starts, E, 20, 19, 20, bend 20, release 20, 19, 20 on the B, 19 two times on the G, and you can use your whammy bar there. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Wasted Years Guitar Lesson by Iron Maiden. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.